Hi there, this is a cry for help, please. I'm requesting Conspiracy Cats, can you please?
When you scroll, you see when.
Welcome. Today it will be a short video. A few days ago, Ranty posted a video with the title, "Where the F is Ranty's drone?"
Look at this guy, John Watson, Ranty FE, just showed a drone. Manual! LOL, no drone. Really? Is that true, John Watson? He continues, newsflash, FE, Flat Earth, gave Ranty FE thousands for a drone manual. Really? Firstly, it wasn't thousands, I think it was about 1,500, 1,600, something like that, before GoFundMe took their cut. And secondly, it isn't just a drone manual. Wakey wakey, John Watson.
Right guys, so you've just seen me open the box up right now. Literally just seen me do that. And notice John Watson made a comment in Nathan's stream after this stream finished. And he said, quote, "I only showed a manual." Right? That's what he said. That I only showed a manual. Right? I'm very careful here because I don't want to damage it in any way, shape or form. Let's see if I can get that out. So, there's some new blades in case I need them. Now then, does that look like a manual to you? Now I don't know, I've never had a drone before, so I have no idea what to expect when I open this. I am actually loathed, believe it or not, to actually open this, because I didn't want to do this. I genuinely didn't want to do this. However, Rude Earther, as I said, he's going to help me out a bit. He's going to assist me in the setup of it, in making sure that it can fly properly, etc., putting the new software in it, etc., that it will need. And yeah, I mean, even then, it's like, what's the point? Once that's all done, what's the point? You know, am I able to go and do this test right here with these lasers in that I was going to use this for? Is that going to happen anytime soon? We're all in lockdown. We need 3 or 4 people, maybe 5 or 6 people to do this experiment. So we need to be out of lockdown, which means that this drone, when I open it, is out of the box. It's out of the box. And it's not being used for the purpose that it was meant to be. It's smaller than I thought, actually. I thought it would be bigger than that. How does this manual look, guys? How does this manual look? Does it look alright? This figment of my imagination, this drone that was never there, according to some people. You know? Bloody hell, look at that. There's another one. There's 1, 2, and I guess there's a third one in here. And another box. So these are the lasers that I'll be using to go across that 6-mile test. There's 2 in here, I think, or something else. I'll have to ask him exactly what's what. We've got another beast of one here. Ooh, look at that. And that. But you know what? I'm not going to use them. I'm not going to put the batteries in them. I'm not going to switch them out. What's that come from? Did that come out there?
Obviously, he did not like that people speculated if he really bought a drone for the money he collected from his followers. Also, I have wondered why he did not use it. My guess was that he didn't know how to use it. He chose to buy a DJI Mavic 2 Pro. In terms of price, the drone has the best camera. I have several drones, one of them the same drone. Ranty's explanation for why he bought the drone surprises me. He will perform some experiment where he attaches laser to the drone. This is a relatively small drone, it weighs 900 grams. After he has been flying drones for many years, I find it difficult to see how his experiments can be performed with any kind of precision. The camera is mounted in a gimbal with 3 axles. It provides stable filming and attenuates vibration and provides smooth movement. But it is balanced for the camera. So the mounting of the laser must be placed elsewhere on the drone. Which means he has no control over where the laser points. I have not tried to lift extra weight with the drone. So I disregard the possible effects this will have on the drone's performance. A modern drone has a lot of automaticity that makes it easy to fly. If you release the controls, it stays in place, even in fairly harsh winds. Simplified, you tell the drone with your controls how you want to fly, direction, altitude, speed and more. Then the drone performs what you want based on external conditions. In calm weather the drone will be able to hover in place. If he has mounted the laser straight ahead, he will be able to determine height and rotation, not angle the laser. If he wants to use the drone to try to prove that the Earth is flat, I have a publisher how to do it. The camera has no zoom, but it is a much better camera than his P1000. The sensor is huge in comparison. So the images can be magnified up in the finishing. Ranty, if you want to use the drone to try to prove that the Earth is flat, I have a suggested experiment. Take your drone to the beach in Blackpool for a day of clear weather. Take the direction to the Isle of Man. Take the first picture from 2 meters in height, then 10, 20, 30 to 120 meters. The first thing you will see is Mount Snaefell, which is 621 meters high. At higher altitudes you will see the whole island. I have never been to Blackpool, but can bet that this is what will happen. This is only based on facts about heights and a calculation of the Earth's curvature. Ranty. If you want tips on how the drone works or how to best use it, feel free to ask me. I hold workshops on how to use drones. This was a short video. On Tuesday there will be a longer video.